Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French onion soup in an instant pot. Begin by slicing 6 large yellow onions thinly and setting the instant pot to saute. Cook the onions slowly until deeply browned, about 20 minutes, then deglaze with 1 cup dry white wine. Add 6 cups beef broth, 2 bay leaves, and 1 tsb thyme. Seal and pressure cook for 10 minutes, then quick release and finish with bread and cheese. In this video, I will show how to make French onion soup in an instant pot. Keep the heat moderate and stir often so the onions brown without burning, using 2 tablespoons butter and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt lightly to draw out moisture and cook down the onions for about 20 minutes until they are dark and jammy. Deglaze with 1 cup wine, then proceed to add broth and seasonings before pressure cooking. In this video, I will show how to make French onion soup in an instant pot. Quick recommendation: while the soup simmers, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum handle kitchen crumbs and keep floors spotless with voice control for a hands-free clean. It's great for busy cooks who want less cleanup time and more time tasting. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make French onion soup in an instant pot. After pressure cooking for 10 minutes and performing a quick release, taste and adjust salt and pepper. Ladle the soup into oven-proof bowls, float a slice of baguette on top, and generously sprinkle with grated Gruyere. Broil until the cheese melts and browns, then let cool a few minutes so it's safe to handle before serving hot to guests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.